feel like if I went to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, this is what everything would taste like. Hwachae. We're making hwachae. Make hwachae. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're making hwachae. This guy's fresh out of the fridge and it's nice and cold, and it's going to go together with a type of sparkling, well, it's called Chilsung Cider, but basically it's a Sprite, some strawberry milk, and another couple of seasonal fruits and a bit of jelly. We're going to put that all together and make a delicious, very sweet, ice cold dessert that's perfect for the hot weather. Let's begin. Alright, I'm going to try and eat this. I think the hardest thing about making this is going to be eating it. Wow, it's going to be the most delicious part. This is going to be difficult. This thing is overflowing in my lovely bowl I made. Ooh. It's like fairy juice. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Like a juice made of all the sweet things in the world. I feel like if I went to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, this is what everything would taste like. It's so sweet. The best thing is it is very cold. I didn't put any ice in here, there's no room for it, but all the ingredients were chilled, so it's still very cold. Oh yeah, perfect. You could just make this with normal milk, but I honestly feel like you need that strawberry flavor. It goes really well with the Chilsung Cider. So that sort of lemony flavor, lemon lime, goes really well with the strawberry. So yeah, I'd say go with the strawberry milk, it's the way to do it. Of course the watermelon flavor is very strong. It's very delicious. I can't lie. This is good. It's probably a lot of calories in here. Luckily I went for a run before I made it, so we're pretty good today. I'm gonna keep eating this. This is great. Here, let's get some watermelon. Ooh. Perfect.